Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fenders on a Jeep Wrangler. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Next, ensure you have your new fenders ready, along with any new clips or hardware that might be needed for installation. Before you begin, carefully disconnect any wiring for lights or turn signals that are integrated into the old fenders. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's move on to removing the old fenders. Begin by locating and removing all the mounting bolts that secure the fender to your Jeep's body. These are typically found along the top edge and inside the wheel well. After the bolts are out, carefully detach any inner fender liners or splash guards that might be present. Finally, gently pull the old fender away from the vehicle, double-checking that no wires are still attached before completely removing it. With the old fenders removed, it's time to install your new ones. Carefully position the new fender onto the vehicle, making sure to align all the mounting holes precisely with the body. Once aligned, secure the fender using your new or existing bolts, tightening them evenly to ensure a snug fit. Don't forget to reconnect all the electrical wiring for your lights and turn signals, ensuring they function correctly before moving on. After installation, perform a thorough final check. Verify that all mounting bolts are tight and that your new fenders are securely mounted to the Jeep. Next, test all your lights and turn signals to confirm they are functioning properly and safely. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle is a safe vehicle. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.